Hey guys, welcome guys. Welcome guys. Mm, 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 mm. Hey guys, welcome. Guys, if you want to see how I make this guys, just come along and let me show you how I make this. Hey guys, corn dumpling, mm, rice and chicken. Mm, hot. Hey guys, just come along. Let me show you how I make this guys. Yeah guys. Hi guys, welcome back to Buckley's Kitchen. Guys, today I'm going to make some brown stew chicken and some provision guys. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned guys and watch what I'm doing. Yeah guys. So guys, I went ahead and already seasoned the chicken guys. Yeah guys. So guys, just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. Okay guys? Yeah guys. Hey guys, welcome back guys, welcome back. We're making the pot guys. Yeah guys. Yeah guys. Guys, I'm cooking um a layers guys. Yeah guys, a hard layers. Yeah guys. So just stay tuned guys and watch what I'm doing. Okay guys? Yeah guys. Guys, and over here I'm cooking the provision. Okay guys, over this side. So guys, you know the hard layers guys. Like yardy or hardy or something. Yeah guys. Trini, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah guys. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. Yes, big up all the Trini's in the house. Yeah guys. Yeah. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to the Buckley's Kitchen. Yeah guys, you're welcome to comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about the Buckley's Kitchen. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned guys and watch what I'm doing. Yeah guys. Here guys, I'm making dumpling, corn dumpling guys. Here guys. And here guys, I have green fig and sweet potato. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. So just stay tuned, guys, and watch what I'm doing. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Because he first loved me. Mm, 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 mm. Hey guys, welcome guys. Welcome guys. Welcome guys. Guys, the chicken coming along guys. Hey guys, remember I told you it's a hard chicken guys. Yardy. Hey guys, Trini know what I'm talking about. Hey guys, I put my coconut milk and thing inside guys. Welcome. Hey guys. Guys, the chicken is ready guys. Chicken is ready. Yes guys. So stay tuned guys and watch what I'm doing. Yeah guys. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Buckless Kitchen guys. Yeah guys. So bye guys. Bye. Bye guys. Bye.